This is actually giving me mimosa sunrise and sangria sunset vibes. Look at Dunkin' Donuts. Hey YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching another video from moi. I hope you guys are not on the East Coast like me and literally drowning in all the rain. Fenty Beauty has just given us all types of beach vibes with this new collection. So today I'm going to be looking at some of those new items and seeing how they look. Okay, so like I said earlier, I just ran out today to get this new Beach Please collection. I think that this is a very exciting release for Fenty Beauty. It's just something a little different, more lip glosses, which everybody has been asking Fenty to drop some more of those lip glosses. I picked up some of those lip glosses from the collection, and it was in a trio. You can see I've already opened, but it came, of course, in a trio. You cannot buy them in singles, which is kind of upsetting, but this was, I think, $36. So you get 3 lip glosses for $36. That's about $12 a piece, which is not super bad. Most lip glosses from a beauty company of Fenty stature would probably charge anywhere from $16 to $20 for a lip gloss. So $12 a piece isn't bad. You do have to buy them as a set, which for some people could be a con just because all of the colors may not be to their liking or not as wearable as others. Last but not least, I did pick up the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. That's the pink and orange one that has been floating all over Instagram, and I think everybody is going to head out and get this one because it literally just looks like everything you ever wanted. I'm going to go ahead and open up this stuff. It has this like little plastic stuff on it, and it's so hard to get off. I got my eyebrows done, by the way, so I feel like a whole new woman. So here is True Beauty. And I can go ahead and swatch those for you so you can see how it looks on the skin, but I'm also going to put it on as well. I mean, these colors though, like I literally cannot deal. I'm going to attempt to use this on the face, but most importantly, I'm going to use it on the eye. I mean, that's probably what I'll use it for day to day anyways. Unless this really shocks me and looks gorgeous on the face and not like doing the most, then I use it on the face. But I solely picked these up with the intention to use them for me as eyeshadows. But of course, with all the kilowatts, you can use them on the eye, lips, and cheek. So I'm going to use a companion palette to make this look all come together. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but whatever. I have the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, which I will probably use in combination with the new Kilowatt. I really want to test the limits of this orange since it is a lighter color on my skin. I know that the pink will definitely be gorgeous on the eye and really pop and show. I can just tell. So I'm going to put the orange to the test, and so I'm going to put the orange to the test to see how it'll perform on the eye. I'm going to take the color Escape. I'm going to build that into the crease. So next, I am going to take the color. I want this look to look beachy, so I don't want to overdo it, hence the beach hair. So I'm just going to take probably one more color in the crease. I'm going to go into this orange color. It's called Hippie, and I'm hoping it's amazing. And now I'm gonna go back in with a blending brush, and I'm gonna work it in better. Yeah, so I'm taking a basic e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna place that all over my lid. I don't want it to look super neat, so I'm just not gonna even like try to like cut it or whatever. I'm just gonna place it. Yep. This is everything I dreamed of and then some. The brush is working so great for me, and the pigment is just gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and just work this on the lower lash as well, just because I want this orange to pop. Ooh, I got some in my eye. I'm gonna use whatever I had left over on this e.l.f. blending brush from the BH Cosmetics Festival palette to blend out the lower lash. So next, I'm gonna take this pink and hope that it doesn't turn out terribly and use that on my cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, that's not a blush for me. Not for me. This would not be a blush for me. It would be more of a highlight. But we're gonna try anyways. Nah, buddy. Would I wear it as a highlight? I tried the Anastasia Glow Kits and the pinks. They don't look like this. They don't look like this at all. So I'm actually shocked that it showed up. Now I'm going to diffuse it a little bit because I would definitely use that as a pink highlighter. It literally works. Like, and you can see it. And it doesn't bring out too much texture at all. It's actually pretty gorgeous. Now I'm going to take a highlighter brush and attempt to use the orange on the skin as well, so you can see how that will look on the cheek. Y'all, I never in my life thought these colors in this type of pigment would flatter just darker skin. It just seemed like it would be doing the most. But Rihanna has created a formula that is like perfect. It's perfect. So I'm looking dead on, and there's no, you can't even tell that I have anything on my cheeks. But when I give you that side profile though, bam! Ooh. This duo is definitely worth it, especially if you have darker skin and you're looking for those crazy, like, different highlighter colors. These are it. You can definitely create a look with these and not look like it's like doing the absolute most, like it doesn't fit. It fits. So next I'm gonna go ahead and try out the lip glosses for you guys, each without anything, a liner or a lipstick under it. And then I'm gonna choose my favorite and put on a lipstick liner and use the lipstick as a topper. They do mostly seem to be toppers because they're quite sheer looking, but we'll see. So I've tried on every lipstick in the Summer Days set. They're very pretty and like they have a little bit of shift to it. Not as much of a shift as the other colors did, and that's kind of why I picked this set over it. Just seemed like a gloss with like a little glitter in it, but they do have a slight shift. Like the orange one has like a slight pink shift because of whatever is in it. The purple is more like a pinkish purple, and then the mint is blue. It's not that mint green. It looks blue, at least on my lip. Of course, like I said, it's going to be different for everybody depending on the shade of your lip, your skin tone, and your pH. But it's reading a little blue on, like a blue shift on my lip. So let's talk about the formula. The formula of these are so soft. They feel really good on your lips. And I can say once I was taking it off, my lips still felt moisturized. And I know sometimes with different lip glosses and lipsticks, when you take the lip gloss or lipstick off, your lips feel very dry. But when I took this off, it's like it kept working, which is pretty cool. Like my lips were not dry at all. I do really like these lip glosses and would recommend them if you're into these colors. I think that these are really quality products and very much so worth the money. Like I said, these are $12 a piece, so even though you have to buy the trio, it's a pretty good deal. I know I said I would pick my favorite color to use the liner and lipstick underneath, but I'm actually going to take my least favorite color just to see if I can work with it a little. I'm going to take this mint green color, which I don't know if you can tell that I just was not feeling it, and I'm going to use that over a nude in a lip liner. Okay, so it loses a lot of its color, at least the green one does, when you apply it over a lipstick, which I'm thankful for. You may not like that just because you might want the green to add to the nude color or whatever color you put it over. And it could just be that I used a nude that it just transformed the lips. So I'm actually happy about that because that means now that I can wear it and it's more wearable for me. Yeah, so like I said, no shift. Also, another thing is these lip glosses leave behind a lot of glitter, especially the pink one. So if you won't like that, I mean, like my whole lip has glitter on it and I don't care, but I know some people are really picky about that. So it does leave behind a good deal of glitter. I'm absolutely in love with these products, hands down, and I would definitely recommend them to you, to a friend, to anybody. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you next video.